Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode. We are back over here at Tiptree and we're going to crack on and see if there was any damage from the wind yesterday, first of all, and then after that we're going to crack on, finish the gables and maybe get on with something else. This is the Tricky Brickies. Oh yes. Still up, ladies and gents. Lovely. Let's take the old Hessian off, get this bricked up. Boom. Go, there's that one up. Lovely. That's what we like to see. One done. A couple more to do now. We're on the other side. Dave and Tom started yesterday, so we're going to smash that one out now. Get that one finished, and we've got the little one at the front. Hi! He's going down, look. Oi, oi. So there we go, we've got this other gable up now as well, up to this height. We've got to wait for the scaffolders now to come in. Hi, Donald.
What's up, Customer?
Hey. Right, I'm here now. Lovely old job.
You finished?
Yeah, we go down now. Hey. Bye bye. Now it's joist lift time. Got a pair of semis here to joist lift. So we go around now, get our blocks on the inside, and back out with bricks on the outside. Lovely. Front of this build, we've got different head heights along the front. There's a detail on the house. So on the corner here, I've got two blocks to head height, and on the back we've got a blockette and a block. So we're laying our blockette first, then our block. So we've got a solid block underneath our lintels. Lovely old job. There we go, block work up, profiles up, ready to roll. Got stabilisers here, ready to burn. Lines up now, got intermittent profile set up here. Ready to go on the gauge marks. Lovely. So we'll pull this round now. I'm going to pull this end first, then do the same the other end, and then run in the bits in the middle, loads of piers through the middle. That's how we're going to hit it. Here we go, let's get these bricks on the wall. We've got a Hessian up. Aaron's giving it a clean up down there now. Beautiful. Now over to the other side. Happy days. Oh, another flank of brickwork up. Me and Dave have worked so hard on this today, haven't we, Dave? Don't know what them other boys have been up to. Where are they? Nowhere to be seen. Good job we're here. Everyone else is on holiday. We've had to put an air vent in here as well. I believe this is the kitchen, so it'll probably be the extract, or it might be the downstairs toilet. I haven't looked at the plan. Well, I have, but I haven't looked at the layout of the rooms. But yeah, that one there will be either for a kitchen, I would have thought a kitchen extract or a toilet, wouldn't it? One of the two. Something smelly's going out of it, that's for sure. What we are going to do now is get some jack walls in. Got our lintels up here. Now, lovely old job. We're going to get these jack walls in. And then once they're in, we can pull the fronts through. And then we're a lovely old job. Boom. Again, profile set up, intermittent. Clamped on hard down the bottom, levelled. We get it right to these gauge marks as well. And we know we can't be wrong. Lovely.
When that groundwork comes out,
Yeah.
All that mud was water on those guys. You say it like you can't tie a mat on that, But you've got to clean that off first.
Well, you mean all them muddy footprints that Aaron left on there because they wouldn't let him walk over the road? What do we say to them, Aaron? What do we say to them?
Aaron didn't. He went, ah! He went, ah!
Few more blocks, boys. Come on in. There we go, jack wall in and we're ready for lintels on the inside now. So we've just got front and back to running brickwork and that'll be that joist lift done. Had a good day, including the bits we've done up on the gables. Looks like the scaffolders have been up there putting some framework up so we can get the peaks. Lovely, haha. So there we go, another constructive day over here on the site in Tiptree. We've had a really good day today, I must admit. I didn't think it was going to go that well today because the weather was bad yesterday and I envisaged all sorts of problems arising today because of the wind and stuff, but we've been lucky, so that's all good. So now it's time for me to get off from here and I'm going to go and have a nice meal with my mum for Christmas. I know it's early, but she's going on holiday as well. Please, 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 please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. And with literally just over a week until I go to Thailand, make sure that you tune in to all the fun and frolics I'm going to get on over there. Catch you in the next one, guys. Have a great evening. Peace out and pow. Ha ha.